Sakshi Dilip from Albershon Institute of Management. So today we are going to study about management accounting. So it is about it is a process of preparing and analyzing financial and non-financial information to help managers make better business decisions. For example, a company uses management accounting reports to decide whether to launch a new product or launch a new product line. So next we are going to see about benefits of management accounting. The first one is better decision making. It provides useful data to take better decisions. For example, it helps the managers use a cost report to choose the most profitable product line. The second one is planning and forecasting, helps in increasing budgets and future predictions. So it helps in forecasting the next year's sales, and they use this data to maximize the profit. Cost controlling identifies areas to reduce the cost. For example, if any department is using more energy or anything, we can switch it into solar power to minimize cost. So the fourth one is performance evaluation. So it compares the actual performance with the target performance and see if there is difference and there is the room for development. The fifth one is improves coordination, aligns department goals with the common goals so that the people work efficiently, and increase sales, production and finance work under the one budget. Strategic decision helps in long-term investment decision. It helps you decide to start a new branch or not, when to launch a product and all. Limitations of management accounting. First one is it is based on previous data, historic data. So it might not be accurate and you cannot predict future based on this historic data. The second one is lack of standardization. It does not use fixed rules and formats. So if one company's standards are different from others, it cannot be compared with the cost. Expensive. It requires a skilled staff and system. So not everyone can afford it. Like the small companies or startups cannot afford it. The fourth one is subjective judgment. Depends on personal interpretation. If there are, like, for example, there are two managers, both of them might not have the same conclusion. They might be having different conclusions and ideas which can lead to misjudgments. Ignores quantity factors, focuses on numbers only. For example, cost cutting may reduce employees' morals. And fifth one is depending on financial data. These financial data which we have collected might not be accurate. It might have errors which will lead to poor decisions. So summarizing it, accounting is basically information of internal decision making. Management accounting is used inside the firm to make better decisions, for better planning, decision making and control. The limitations of this management accounting is subjective, costly and based on past data. That's it. Thank you.